that this exists.
I love it. It's great. It's a work of art.
His account actually got suspended.
Who?
Possible.
Trump.
Donald Trump.
Oh yeah, I know.
His account actually got suspended.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He wasn't. It looks like Trump wasn't gaming.
He wasn't gaming.
Trump gaming.
Okay. Hold on, I'm gonna make a YouTube account. Give me a second.
Oh no.
Oh
Hold on, I
no.
need to check if the thing. Hold on, I need to check if like somebody's already fucking beat me to the punch. Is there a Trump gaming?
Probably.
Hold on,
Possibility.
Trump gaming. No. It's already a thing.
You want to talk about it?
It's already a thing.
I just hear. Wait, I need to see if somebody's
Trump
beating me to Trump
It's
gaming,
already
and then I
a
just hear keyboard smashing.
It's already a thing. It's already a thing.
Right.
Trump was gaming the whole time.
Hold on, I need to check when it was made.
Ryo, you can't unguess that you.
It was made in 2015.
I don't know what this video
Oh my
is.
god, that was before he got elected.
Trump has been gaming all this time.
All that time he spent in the White House, he was gaming.
Wait, hang on, he's got a Discord account.
Discord?
Hold on, he's
Like
got...
Discord GG/Obama?
Just message him on Discord, that can only be one.
No, I'm sending him a friend
Yo,
request.
one second.
I'm sending him a friend request.
Let me send my dude a friend request. Hold on. I'm gonna send him a friend request, and I'm just gonna send him a meme of the storming of the Capitol.
Hold on, I've sent him a friend request. I've sent him a friend request. Hey, yo, Rainus,
Whose dog is fucking crying?
Rainus, can you kick your dog?
Would you kick this dog
Yes.
for $1,000?
What would you do if there was a dog right in front of you?
Number 15.
Okay, hold on, I'll show
Passenger
you what...
urinates.
This is what I'd do if there was a
Come
dog
on.
right
Man urinates on fellow passenger
This is
for
what-
not being allowed
This
to
is what I'd do if there was
smoke.
a dog right in front of me. Who?
So Pello, he's the
hello, yeah,
man who
yeah.
slaps his desk 24/7. Yeah, you are his only, you are his only competitor in desk consumption.
Yeah, look in the Shitpost Central if you want to see the video I was talking
God,
about. Zeus,
Volume.
Zeus, I gave you a
Did you
volume.
not heed the warning?
Hold on, I'm gonna see
Oh,
if
wait,
I
hang
can
on,
set
hang
up my
on.
keyboard because it's being really jittery today.
Alright, look in Shitpost Central. Look at the text on the bottom, like before the ID and whatever.
Hell, guys, I need.
Poor lol.
Guys, I need.
I can't
Why
afford
is
Nairo.
he?
Flaw with that. Which woman would come to you?
I can't fucking buy
Makes
Nairo.
sense.
I don't have enough money for
I
Nairo.
see.
God fucking damn it. Thinking about it, I should get
What?
a fucking soundboard for my desk smashing. But I've preferred
It would
doing
save you a lot of desk.
Trust. Okay, mate, you can't do it. You can't really do it.
Like when
Hold
you
on. Okay, this is how you make the sound.
What the rose got?
Oh, you're playing Minecraft? There is no joke. Good job. Keep playing it, kids.
Oh, you're playing Minecraft? I like your cut sheet.
Yeah, that's a soundboard.
No, it's not.
Can we just go?
I legitimately have to reset up everything as soon as they knock everything down.
But why? Why would you do? Wow, many people left since I joined. Nice.
I get
Kill
annoyed.
streak.
I can't wait to, because I'm moving to an apartment soon, so I'm definitely gonna fucking get noise complaints. Anyway.
Oh hell yeah!
Kill them all.
It won't even be complaints; it will just be concerns.
Cops are called.
Cops are called 2020. No joke, no scam.
I merely
2020.
explained to them I was doing it for the Vine. I just got an idea how I can make even more sound. Okay.
Oh
play
no,
Minecraft.
no, no,
You
no,
play
no, no,
Minecraft.
no, no,
That's
no.
not physically humanly
You play
possible.
Minecraft. I like your cut, G. See, you guys were wrong. I couldn't make
No,
more
listen,
sounds.
I'm just gonna fucking disconnect my headset just so my parents fucking know what kind of people I hang out with.
I can't access my desk now.
I'm a bit scared for sanity.
I think I actually have an audio file of that now because I recorded all that.